I think this might be the year that kind of finally breaks the camel's back and starts like a new trend. I mean, the whole thing is fascinating, right? It's like this, it's just this game theory sandbox experiment of like hyper competitive, hyper capitalistic people competing over a scarce resource. So it's fascinating to see this game theory play out over time. And right now, I just literally can't imagine that we're going to be able to hit September or even earlier. And so I imagine that that's going to start like a whole new trend. So no one knows what's going to happen, but whatever does happen this year, I would think would kind of influence then what's going to happen in subsequent years and kind of start a new chapter in this whole on-cycle saga.
So for the record, I'm going to make a prediction. For the record, it's what, May 18th today. I am predicting that on cycle happens this year right after July 4th.
You're kidding.
No, this, and it's going to be virtual, and people are going to be getting offers virtually since everyone's not even. That's my prediction.
I would be shocked.
That's my prediction, just because they're so aggressive. They already know the kids coming. I feel like they already know the kids that are coming in. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe July's a little aggressive. Okay, I'll change it. I'll say August. I'll say mid-August.
I mean, you could be right. I just figured that with COVID and people getting their start dates pushed back and doing remote starts, it seems impossible to me to think of on cycle happening. But you know what?
Just a Zoom link away. Just a Zoom link away, man.
You're right. Maybe this will actually accelerate the trend, and we'll just
part of me thinks
like,
well, if they're not going to be able to meet anyways, why not just grab them now?